Welcome back to Checking Out with MFG. Today we are checking out of the Iron Horse Hotel in beautiful Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The Iron Horse Hotel is located right next to the world famous Harley Davidson Museum. The Iron Horse Hotel is also a converted mill space which used to be a mattress factory. Upon entry into the room, you're met by this mudroom type space, complete with a spot to sit down and take off your boots and hang up your riding gear. When you venture further into the room, you get into the main living space area. The main feature in this room is this king-size bed, which turned out to be very comfortable. The room is equipped with your standard flat screen TV that felt a little bit small on this wall. And if you notice on the left-hand side of the wall, you'll see this beautiful mural hand-painted by a local artist. There's a small desk working area if you need to get some business done. On the main countertop, there's a coffee station, and it appears to have all the fixins to get your day started. On the other side of the counter is the fully stocked mini bar, with just about everything you'd want to stay in your room all night. Hidden in the vanity is your standard hotel room safe. There's plenty of drawer space to put all your things away if you're going to be here for an extended stay. Inside the closet, you'll find plenty of hangers and luggage storage, along with an ironing board and an iron. Don't forget to make great use of the included soft robes. Hidden inside the closet door is a full-length mirror. Hi! Overall, the bathroom is pretty spacious. Overall, it is a double vanity with a single sink, and it also has a makeup mirror. I found the lighting to be a little bit less than I'd want. There is a hairdryer if needed. This shower is super spacious and has a great echo. You could definitely fit multiple people in here at once, which isn't a problem because it has both a rainfall shower head and a wand. The bulk toiletries are located right inside the shower to make it really convenient. The most unique feature to the bathroom is this glass shower wall that you can kind of see into the shower from the bed. This beautiful bench at the end of the bed looks really nice and comfortable. However, it's super scratchy and extremely uncomfortable to sit on. Being a motorcycle-themed hotel in downtown Milwaukee, right next to the Harley Davidson Museum, it only makes sense that the lobby is completely decked out in motorcycle stuff. The bar in the lobby was fully stocked and made top-notch cocktails. The food was pretty good as well. Vehicle parking was very limited, but they did have an expensive valet option. But don't worry, if you brought your motorcycle, there's plenty of undercover motorcycle parking. Overall, this hotel was a great experience. I would highly recommend if you're a motorcycle enthusiast, and even if you're not. I hope you enjoyed my content. If you did, please give me a like. If you would like to see more of this content, please give me a subscribe.